Hi, I'm Dr. Joel Kailia from Rise BC Wellness Center in Nelson, BC, and this is Anna Topf, the kinesiologist working at the clinic. Today we're going to show you a simple technique to use a rubber ball to treat Now we're going to talk about the forearm. The forearm is good to roll if you have any problems with your elbow, such as golfer's elbow or tennis elbow. The extensor part of the forearm can be hurt from lots of repetitive motions like with a hammer, and the flexor from a lot of typing or other fine movements of the hand.
So you can use either a single ball or a double. I find the double runs away on you a little bit less. So we're going to take the ball to the table and pressing into the ball, rolling back and forth. Now you can use your own hand to get a little bit more pressure. Okay. And then again, we're exploring. We can stop when we find a good spot. You can also flex and extend through the wrist. That's it. And again, kind of turn, finding another spot. Now for the top of the arm, we can either flip the arm here and again pressing in, finding different tightness. Again, if you find a place that is particularly sore, stop there, hold and breathe. I find this can be quite awkward for some people, so coming to the wall, you can place it up against the wall and roll it out there. So, depending on your preference, you got some options.